name is Elisha Tammy and welcome back to another episode of Elisha Bakes. And today we're making an Oreo cheese cake. I have some soil here. It's crushed cookies that I bought from the supermarket. You can either crush the Oreo cookies or you can buy some crushed Oreo cookies from the supermarket. Okay, so now I'm going to pour butter into the crushed cookies that I bought from the supermarket. Okay, so now mix it evenly. I've done mixing and now I'm going to put the crust down. I spilled some. Okay, so now I'm using my spatula to flatten it. After I flatten it, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for a few minutes. Okay, so now I am going to put my crust in the fridge. Now I am going to wait 20 minutes for the crust to harden. Okay, so now I'm going to put Vega cream cheese into the mixing bowl. Oh, I opened one already. And I'm going to squeeze it in. Okay, so now I put my cream cheese into the mixing bowl. I am going to mix it now. Okay, so now I'm going to put the vanilla essence into the mixture. And also the icing sugar. Oh! Wait, there's still a little bit inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it again. Okay, so now that I'm done mixing that, I'm going to put in the Oreo cream, which I took out just now from the Oreo I crushed. I'm gonna put some of them inside, all of them inside. Now I'm gonna mix again. Okay, so now I've done that, I'm going to put in the whipped cream. It's really heavy. Oh. Oh, it's spilled on the table. I will wipe it later, though. Let's mix again. Okay, so now I took out the crust from the fridge. Now I'm gonna put the batter on top of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour half of the batter on top of the crust. I'm going to flatten it. So I put half the batter on top of the crust already. I'm gonna put Oreo cookies, which is the decoration, on the batter. Half of the batter actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna put all of the cookies. It's gonna be so yummy when I make it finish. In all of the Oreo cookies I had, and look how beautiful it is. It looks beautiful, right? The rest of the batter on top of the Oreo cookies that I just put down. Okay, so I finished flattening the batter that I put on top of the cookies. Now I am going to put the crushed Oreo cookies on the batter again. As you can see, I've sprinkled the Oreo crumbs very nicely. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it set for 4 hours. My cake is gonna be so yummy! My Oreo cheesecake is finally ready. It smells so yummy. Wanna try some? So now I'm gonna cut the cake and see what it looks inside. You need adults to cut this cake. Look at my Oreo cream cheese cake. Look, do you see the cookie? The Oreo cookie? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you want to see more videos, click the subscribe button and also the notification bell. And please like the video.